Hey, good morning. Today we're going to practice our reading fluency by doing a 1-minute pre-read of an article. Then you'll work with a partner and do some partner reading before we finish out the lesson by doing the same 1-minute read to track your progress. So first I'm going to read the article for all you to hear. I want you to follow along with your finger and circle any words that you have not seen before. So here's our article. It's called Finding Grandpa's House. Shanti and her father were going to visit Grandpa. Shanti saw a book in the car. "What is this?" she asked. "It is a road atlas. That is another name for a book of maps," said Shanti's dad. "It helps us get places." "And what is this?" Shanti asked. She showed him a bunch of upside-down V's on the map. Shanti's dad smiled. "That is a symbol. If you do not know what one means, look around on the map." Dad put a finger on a white box in the corner of the page. It was labeled Legend. "Maps include information boxes called legends," he explained. "This legend says that upside-down V's represent hills." Next, Shanti's dad showed her a line marked Grove Road. "That's our street," cried Shanti. "Exactly," her dad replied, and pointed to another street. "And here is where Grandpa lives. May I use the map to tell you how to get to Grandpa's house?" "Sure, let's see if you can read a map." Shanti's dad started driving. She studied the map and told him when to turn left or right. Dad followed her directions until they made it to Grandpa's house. "Good job," Shanti's dad said to her. "You're an excellent map reader." All right. So were there any words that you guys didn't know while I was reading? Okay, good. So what did you notice about the way I was reading? Yeah. Okay, so now I want you to partner up, and I want partner one to read the article out loud for 1 minute and then draw a line or circle the last word that you read. Ready? Go. All right, and now partner two, I want you to do the same thing. Read for 1 minute and circle the word that you end on. All right, so now I want you and your partner to alternate reading word by word. So partner one will read the first word, then partner two will read the next word. You will alternate or switch off that reading for 3 minutes. So try to be ready to make your reading flow together. So we're going to start our timer for 3 minutes. Ready, go. All right, now I want you guys to switch. So now I want partner two to read the first word of the article and partner one to read the second word. And then you guys switch back and forth for 3 more minutes. Ready, set, go. All right, so now that I have read the story, we went over unfamiliar words, timed ourselves, and partner read, we're going to do one last 1 minute read to see if you made any progress compared to our first time reading. So same rules as before, circle the last word that you read and make sure we are using our good reading skills by focusing on our fluency. So partner one can start now. All right, and partner two can start now. All right, so today we practice our fluency skills by reading for 1 minute. We made sure to read at it with a good rate, accuracy, and expression. Next, we're going to keep practicing our fluency skills with longer text to see how many words we can read accurately in 1 minute. Thanks.